Okay, let's talk about live lessons and Blackboard Collaborate. What are the live lessons? Well, the live lessons are a very fun opportunity for you to come to class, get to interact with your peers, interact with us, the teachers. It's one of our favorite things too. It's where we share with you lessons about the material that you're learning about. So when you come to class, we will go over what you're working on for that week. We might actually get you started on the assignment. It's just a really great opportunity for you to interact with your peers, learn about the material, be able to ask questions if you need any help with any of the assignments. It's just a really great opportunity for you. And we love it because we get to spend time with you. So you'll get your schedule of when your live lessons are. So don't panic about that. We'll make sure that you know where you need to be and when you need to be there. And what you'll do to log into live lessons is going to be the same format, Blackboard Collaborate, that you use to go to lunch bunch, character lunch stuff, your different meetings for houses, tutoring, all kinds of different things that we offer here at Florida Virtual School that you'll use Blackboard to get into. So how do you get to your live lessons? Well, you're going to click on your class from the drop-down menu. So in this case, we're going to go to World History. We're going to make sure that we read our forcing slide. Okay, we know what to do. Return to course. And we're going to go down to the click here to enter live lesson. And we're going to click this button, which is going to give us the Blackboard Collaborate launcher. And you might get a box that looks like this if you've already downloaded the launcher. So you would just put your name in here. So we would do Mazzol in parentheses, and then your first name, awesome, student last name, and then you would click login. So, and then it says downloading session, and then you just click that you want to enter it. Now, you might get something like this where it says get the launcher. So you would pick whether you have Windows or Mac. So I have Windows. You won't have to do this every time, but this is if you are logging into Blackboard for the first time. So then you click download. It'll download the launcher. Click continue. And then when it's done, you click this, and then it'll give you the launcher setup. So I'm walking through this as if you would need to download this for the first time. So you click next, install, okay. Just follow the prompts that it gives you on the screen, and you will be able to be walked through it. It's pretty simple, but if you have any questions, we're always here to help. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like once you actually get into a session. So you put your name in here, teacher's first name or last name, your first and last name, and then you click login. It's going to ask you if you want to save, yes, and then you launch it. And then you're going to open up the meeting. And once the wizard is finished installing the software for the download launcher, you click finish, and it'll tell you that you need to restart your computer. So I'm going to do that. And after you restart your computer and you click to enter the session where you put in your last name and all that good stuff, you click and it will take you to this. It might take a minute or two. Do you want to run this application? Yes. And then you just let it do its thing. This is one of the reasons why you want to kind of give yourself about 5 minutes prior to live lesson start time to go ahead and log in. You'll see the Blackboard Collaborate launcher, and then you'll connect to the host, and boom, you are in the live lesson. And when you're in here, there'll be other students, your teachers, and you'll have the ability to interact, and we'll show you how all of that works. But this is the preview of how to get in, because it can be a little bit of a process once you have to download the launcher. So after you download the launcher, you'll just click into your live lesson. It will download the session. You click the session. It'll ask you if it already exists, do you want to continue? Click yes, and then it'll bring you in. Again, if you have any questions, just reach out to us.